Are you having trouble picking up your Skittish guinea pigs? Well, this is the ultimate tutorial to teaching how to pick them up. For the first step, you will need a tunnel that your guinea pigs haven't seen before. This is when your guinea pig will crawl into you. You can put a tree in here if you like. At first, your guinea pigs may be a little bit skeptical, like Maple and Toast here. But soon enough, they'll come wandering into your tunnel, and then you can pick it up. Make sure to block off both ends. I'm holding the phone, so I can't do that right now. You can eventually get rid of your hand from one end, so then you can see them while you're carrying them. You can bring them to wherever you want and put them down. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.